Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
This side they have already enclosed them. Hey, good night guys. Oh, good morning, good afternoon, it's already night here, and I couldn't resist coming to this Kencom area. Remember, this is Shifting News. As always, a privilege to be on your screens. Oh, that's a plane in the skies of Nairobi city, and for sure you can see what is happening here. So unfortunately, due to low light, we may not be able to showcase our faces, but we are here with Ferdinand. Remember, this is Shifting News. If you're visiting us for the first time, subscribe.
Hello guys, make sure you subscribe.
This is Ferdinand.
Yes.
How do you see Kencom?
It is a massive improvement. I have to congratulate the governor. Job well done.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we hope they will improve it more.
Yeah, we hope.
Like these cables, they need there are some people who said they need to place even like planks.
Yeah.
Wow. So guys, what can you say? Look at the lights. And right now, what's the time by there?
It's around 9. It's just
9 p.m.
It's 9 p.m. Yes.
Wow. So this is how people will be enjoying the night on this and you see, but I don't think they have finished cleaning.
Yeah,
there's still some sand.
When it rains, it will even look more beautiful.
Let's hope so. So guys, these are the lights. Hey, let's see. Nazita aje ni side what? Najua tu downlighters zinatokanga kwa nini?
Like you point down.
Yeah. So I don't know these ones zinaitwa side lights.
Side lighters.
So guys, what can you say about this? And just see on the floor. Coffee. Guys, if you point there your camera, even for the eyes, these lights are a bit let's see if we can you see the lumens? I don't know the strength of this light, but this is the current situation at night, the vibe within Nairobi city. And for sure many of us anticipated that this place should be made or modernized, and we are hoping this tree will be caged. And even we had one of our supporters who was suggesting that we need spikes along these flower pots for people not to sit on them, to protect them. And also someone said that, what about the kids? Are we going to take care of the kids? Just see. This is the Nairobi city. Do you think we are headed in the right direction?
Yes, I think we are headed in the right direction. I hope more and more places will look like this.
Such that during the night the city should be well lit.
It will be well lit. People will be free taking pictures everywhere, because the city will look beautiful.
So do you mean, okay, we are only waiting, this street will be full of the street photographers?
Yes. Just wait, even tomorrow, as soon as tomorrow, this street will be flooded with photographers. The TikTokers will be dancing here joyfully.
And especially for the lights.
Yes,
they will want to enjoy the lights. So guys, you can see there is still, I think this is the sand that was being collected, and now they need to dispose. And we learned
some finishing.
Yeah.
Yes, that is required to be done. Some paintings.
And I think that is what they are doing there.
Yeah.
Let's reach there and see. So guys, this is what you were saying about these manholes. They need to be enclosed, but you can see the lights. Wow. And just ahead there is still sand. And remember, this is the Aga Khan walk, and this is the tap people are saying about, and already there is someone who has dammed. Water is working. You need to drink. Don't know if it is safe for drinking, but hopefully. So this side they haven't collected the sand, but you can see it is still a work in progress. Everything coming up well, and I think they are working right now at night, and hopefully they'll be completing this session very soon. And hopefully they are also working at night. Niaje boss, popoa, mna wako usiku, mna fix lights ama? Yeah? Oh, hiyo ni grinder. Okay. Sisi tuna record hapa, tunaangalia venye mna beautify hapa. So they're saying they're working on the grinder to make sure they fit the remaining tiles. At this place you can see these gaps. They are fixing the gaps to ensure that everything comes well. So you see, these are the gaps they need to fill, like this one. On this side they have already enclosed them. And also on the other side. Hey boss, hata huko job hii ni ya Clinton. Oh, by the way, nilikuwa nimepita hapa siku nyingine, hii sand kama iko kazi yake ni gani? Unajua sasa afadhali nipate kwa expert. Mimi nilikuwa na allege tu maybe ni ku strengthen.
Oh,
the sand ikishawekwa hivi.
Sasa ikishawekwa hivi. Inakanyanga hii sand itaingia kwa hiyo mashimo.
Oh.
Hiyo mashimo itaingia hivi.
Oh.
Lakini nakanyanga mara ya kwanza na mara ya pili. Mara ya kwanza bila mchanga, mara ya pili na mchanga sasa.
Oh. Na hii kazi yote inaisha lini? Ama sasa kila department iko tu na nini?
Inaisha leo yote.
Oh. Na sisi vitaundwa maviti place ya watu kukaa.
Unajua bana.
Oh. Sawa. Nyinga nganeni bana. Nyinyi ndio mnavuruta nini ya usiku? Sasa utalala mchana.
Mchana tunaenda bali kwingine.
Ai. So kuna kupumzika?
Kupumzika tunapumzika kutoka 4 mpaka saa 2.
Oh. Sawa sawa. Ukitaka kucheki pale YouTube naitwa Shifting News. Shifting News hapo YouTube. Ndio tunaunda video kuangalia venye hizi beautifications zina happen. Sawa, shukran. So guys, that is the state, and as you have heard, the cleaning and the compressing of this sand will be happening tonight. So we were saying these manholes, and most likely you can see the setup. They will be enclosing these manholes. Ferdinand, what do you think?
I don't really think if the work will be done by tonight.
Yeah.
There's still some work to be done. I think let's give it about a week.
A week?
A week, yeah. The work will be done within a week.
Do you think the reason is because we have less manpower?
Yeah, less manpower. I don't see a supervisor here, so you know people.
No, maybe they have gone for supper.
Okay.
Before they come on board.
Let's hope so.
What's your comment on the lights?
Honestly, the lights are not well done. They are beautiful, yes, but I think they would place the lights at most everywhere. You know? The lights would be situated in every point to make that place look beautiful, to make that place look bright. Very bright, yeah. Right now it looks dull. Even if there are lights, but it looks dull.
Maybe they'll be adding also, you know, like, do you remember those lights that were there at Moi Avenue?
Yeah.
Before Mandamano?
Yes.
Let's hope they'll be also including that.
Yes. Is there a good suggestion?
Like?
More lights.
Yeah. You see within town, especially there is a day we were making rounds within town. Yeah. There wasn't enough light, and this town is supposed to be well lit.
Yes. More lights also will be good for more pictures and more positive news.
Yeah. To just make sure that the city is so vibrant.
Yes.
And we are now on my avenue. Also, there are always some good lights at my avenue. Let's see how they are lighting up.
These lights, there are certain lights that were here. I hope
the one that were.
Yeah, I hope they bring them back.
I think we go that side.
Oh, they are looking the other side.
Will we pass here? Guys, if you're watching us, remember we are in Nairobi CBD. It's already 9 p.m. We are trying to see the lights. Here is one of the lights. What is the use of these stones?
If such lights were to be put on the other side, it will even be more beautiful. These stones just illuminate the light that are inside.
Oh, but they have just used snake lights.
Yeah, these are snake lights.
So you can see we also have still people along these routes who are boarding vehicles to different places, to Githunguri, Utawala, that is Utawala Githunguri. And you can see also vehicles piled on that other side. That's sometimes you call it the impunity. Is it the impunity of Nairobi city? What do you think? Is it easy to control the matatus in Nairobi?
I think it's very hard, very, very hard, because there is no alternative. If you want to remove the matatus, you must provide an alternative solution first.
And they were saying matatus need to be ejected from Nairobi CBD.
No, I don't think it's the issues about matatu. The issues about us, people coming from work. Where will they board these matatus? I don't think there is enough space anywhere.
People will get used to.
No, I think it will lead to another demonstration, which I think the government is fearing. So they must provide a solution first. But if they ban the matatu from coming to the CBD,
yes,
I don't think it will end in good news. The government will have to pay.
So you are saying they should provide alternatives before they ban?
They should provide solution first before they ban. And providing that solution is the hardest part. Yes. So,
the trade-off. So guys, thank you for having watched that amazing. I hope you have enjoyed the beautification, what has happened along Kencom area. Thank you. For our new visitors, join this amazing family, subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. Freddy, your final word.
Thank you guys for watching us. I would like to tell you just to subscribe for Shifting News. Make sure you click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Thank you guys.
Thank you, and see you in our next shift.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.